Hello everyone, my name is Grant Pearson, here to bring you news and information from the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District Office in Waite Park. This week I have some reminders on nitrogen best management practices and an open house 75th anniversary celebration for the Stearns SWCD. First, the Minnesota Department of Agriculture, or MDA, is reminding farmers and commercial applicators that fall nitrogen fertilizer applications are restricted in some areas of the state. Under the MDA's groundwater protection rule, fall nitrogen fertilizer application is prohibited on susceptible areas of Minnesota due to environmental concerns or risks. Areas with coarse textured soils are the most susceptible to nitrate nitrogen loss and groundwater contamination. Restrictions begin September 1st each year. Farmers are encouraged to check the online map prior to fall application to determine if their fields are subject to these restrictions. To view a map of the susceptible regions of the state, you can search for the Minnesota Fall Nitrogen Fertilizer Application Restrictions online. In other areas of the state where fall nitrogen fertilizer application is allowed, the MDA advises farmers and commercial applicators to check soil temperatures and wait until the average soil temperatures reach 50 degrees Fahrenheit or cooler. Research shows that delaying fall application of anhydrous ammonia and urea fertilizer, as well as manure, helps prevent nitrogen loss, protects water quality, and ensures more nitrogen will be available for next year's crop. To assist tracking soil temperature, the MDA provides access to real-time 6-inch soil temperatures at 70 locations across the state. To view the interactive map and find the current 6-inch soil temperature and the past week's history, search for Minnesota 6-inch soil temperature network. Although Soil Temperature Network was established to support application of nitrogen fertilizer, it is equally useful for those applying manure in the fall. The University of Minnesota Extension recommends the same temperature delay after soil temperature is below 50 degrees Fahrenheit to help prevent leaching losses in manure also. Next, the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District, or SWCD, is celebrating 75 years of conservation. To mark this milestone, the Stearns County SWCD will be hosting an open house on Tuesday, October 8th from 2 until 4 in the afternoon at the USDA SWCD Conference Room, number 126, located inside Marketplace Mall in Waite Park. For 75 years, the Stearns County SWCD has been dedicated to protecting and conserving the county's natural resources through education, technical assistance, and financial assistance programs. The SWCD has helped landowners, farmers, communities, and others implement sustainable practices that improve soil health, protect and improve water quality, and enhance and protect our natural resources. The SWCD invites the public to join us in celebrating this important anniversary and learning more about how they can help protect Stearns County land and water resources. The open house will feature the opportunity to meet and engage with past and present SWCD supervisors and staff, meet partners and supporters of the SWCD, learn about projects, and discuss the future of conservation. The Stearns SWCD was officially formed in October 28 of 1949 upon certification of a petition from Stearns County landowners and after a vote in favor of the Stearns County residents. SWCDs are special purpose units of government that manage and direct conservation programs at the local level. Important programs and priorities of the Stearns County SWCD currently include soil health, clean drinking water, improved water quality, wildlife habitat and protection, and much more. That's all I have for this week. Again, my name is Grant Pearson with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District, If you have any questions, please reach out to the Stearns SWCD staff via our website, or you can call and leave a message at 320-251-7800, extension 3. And thank you for listening.